So I'm so much glad, and I'm so very glad that I got the key, this key, just to come here. So thank you so much, 𝐂𝐀𝐓𝐄𝐄𝐒 in Jönköping, for allowing me to become a member of your painting environment and community. I'm so much glad. And what I like in this place is that it has a spacious room, and it was very tall. It's very high in the ceiling, and I like it. And then there's a big windows here. Hello everybody, welcome back. I'm here again. So today is just another day, and I am so much glad I got the key to a painting studio, and this is where I'm gonna spend some of my days whenever I'm gonna paint huge canvases. And I'm so excited to show you this, guys, because I've been waiting for this for a long time, and now I actually have that opportunity to do and express everything that I have inside in my mind. Probably a little bit more creative than what I used to, because some of the things I cannot actually do at our home. So this is where I'm gonna spend my days. I think that you can see it. It's a culture house here in Sweden, and this is actually a place for artists, all kinds of pictures and other kinds of creativity like music as well. So in this place, a little bit up there on the second floor, I'm gonna show you and bring you to the place where we're gonna spend a little bit more of our painting sessions and maybe webinar lessons. All right, so good luck for you and I, good luck for both of us. So it's a little bit of kitchen here, a little bit of stuff to place myself with, and I think it's important with a cup of coffee. So here, I've almost got everything, and some brushes. It's very important. Check that out. So that's how it looks like here, and we can see a lot of painting. Wow, isn't that amazing? Isn't that amazing? And we have some of this stuff. All of these things I can use for free, no pay, no extra pay. And if there's are things that I want to do extra, there are plastics and canvases. Is not mine, these are both by other people. And here it is. Wow, look at that window. That's more interesting for me. And look at this. Wow, someone already started a painting over here. Huh? Can you see creativity in this place? Right? It's just so amazing. So as you can see, this has a great space and I can do whatever I want in this painting studio. I mean, not really everything, but I can actually make webinars here and I can paint big canvases here without any problem at all. So I'm so much glad, and I'm so very glad that I got the key, this key, just to come here. So thank you so much, 𝐂𝐀𝐓𝐄𝐄 in Jönköping, for allowing me to become a member of your painting environment and community. I'm so much glad. And what I like in this place is that it has a spacious room, and it was very tall. It's very high in the ceiling and I like it. And then there's a big windows here where I can have an overview of the water over there, and then I have the overview of the sky. And I think that's enough for me, because in the winter time I can actually see the beauty of the water. You know, the ideas can come fresh and I can have much more peaceful times in here because it's very quiet. And the rest of the rooms over there are like performances for studio. I think it's for music and other kinds of activities within the cultural aspect. So there's music, pictures, you know, and you name it, all those kinds of dance, and it's amazing. I was actually expecting to be a member within the photography. I was thinking to get the lane of the photography studio, but for now, since this is a corona time and we got pandemics running around us, so I think this one is enough for me, right? So I just hope you're gonna stay with me and that we can enjoy time together painting, and that if you are really interested about my webinars, don't be shy to send a message to me. I have my email down below the description box, and then we'll find it from there, or start from there, and we'll see what you can achieve in learning with me. So I welcome you to this studio that we're gonna spend most of our days together. So God bless everyone. I'm so excited. So see you in the coming days. Bye.